Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. In today's video, I kind of want to share with you guys the three different options that I have for possible homeschool schedules for next year. I'm hoping in the comments you guys can let me know which one of these you guys have tried, what are the pros and cons to doing something like this, or maybe even help you guys realize that you guys have more than one option on how to set up your homeschool year. So I am considering three different options. Option one has us starting our new homeschool year in June and hopefully ending by May if we do a 38-week schedule. Option two and three both have us starting in August, but option two has us starting like the first week of August and hopefully ending by the end of June. Option three will have us starting in August and probably ending by the first week of June. Now, the main difference between these is that I am going to be doing 6 weeks of school and then 1 week off with options one and two. And then option three is the same school year schedule that we've been using since we started homeschooling, which is like a semester-based schedule. With the semester-based schedule, you have semester one, semester two, and you have your regular breaks. So one for Thanksgiving, Christmas, as well as spring break, and all those align for all three options. Now with option one and option two, we do have a total of 9 different breaks. And after kind of carefully figuring out everything that I have on my schedule and how sometimes I do feel a little, overworked, overwhelmed, overstimulated, I feel like taking 1 week off of both like school as well as like behavioral therapy and just whatever life has planned for us might allow me and my little ones to kind of like recharge. So we typically end the school year anywhere from week 32 to week 36, but considering the fact that almost every school schedule has 38 weeks, and just in case you guys are looking for like options or ideas on how to plan out your schedule, I decided to make it this way just in case you guys want to like screenshot and talk about these options with your family as well, since this is going based off of the schedule for the upcoming school year. I am stuck between options one and two. What's going to ultimately decide which ones we do is if we complete all of our schoolwork by the end of the school year. And we did start a few new things, so I'm hoping we complete that by the end of summer. If we need all of summer to like complete everything, then we are going to go with option two. Say we do complete everything because we're moving through lessons fast, then we're probably going to start with option one. One of the good things about starting the new school year in June is that you still run through the whole 38 weeks. You still get a good number amount of breaks, but you start your summer in May, meaning you're like a month or two ahead of everybody else. So you still kind of get to enjoy like all the zoos, museums, whatever it may be before everyone gets their summer break. And that's something I am considering with this, just because we do like to go to places between like Monday to Friday when nobody is there. So this is one of those where if you kind of want to avoid the whole crowd, this is a schedule I would go with. But considering the fact that I do have some things that I do want to finish with the kids, I do want to line things up with my oldest who is in public school. And she did say she does want to do all the summer activities with us. I feel like option two is going to be the one we go with. We will do a few things over summer just to kind of like finish things, but we will end by the time the public school ends. That way our oldest child can just hang out with us on whatever adventures we want to do. Definitely let me know in the comments how you guys end up planning things out. I know sometimes people do a whole year-round homeschool. I like to stick to the whole 38 weeks, but I am going to incorporate 6 weeks on, 1 week off, and I'll definitely let you know how that works. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.